New York Yankees bolster lineup by acquiring Alex Verdugo from Boston Red Sox. In a surprise move, the New York Yankees have made a trade with their historic rival, the Boston Red Sox, acquiring outfielder Alex Verdugo. The Yankees, known for their powerful lineup, were on the lookout for a talented left-handed bat, and Verdugo fits the bill perfectly. The trade, which marks a rare swap between the two monumental teams, was finalized on Tuesday evening. In exchange for Verdugo, the Red Sox received 3 right-handed players from the Yankees. Verdugo, 27, has been a standout performer for the Red Sox and will now bring his skills to the Bronx. With an impressive batting average and solid defensive skills, he is expected to significantly strengthen the Yankees' outfield. His ability to hit from the left side will add a new dynamic to the team's already formidable lineup. This transaction demonstrates the Yankees' commitment to maintaining their competitive edge in the MLB. By acquiring Verdugo, they have addressed their need for a left-handed bat, further bolstering their chances of success in the upcoming games and potentially playoff run. The acquisition of Verdugo also serves as a reminder of the historic rivalry between the Yankees and the Red Sox. The fact that the two teams engaged in a trade speaks to the respect and recognition of talent that transcends traditional allegiances. Both Yankees and Red Sox fans will be eagerly anticipating how this trade will impact their teams going forward. Whether it tips the scale in favor of the Yankees or sparks renewed determination in the Red Sox remains to be seen. However, one thing is certain, this unexpected move has injected excitement into the baseball world and will continue to be a topic of discussion among fans and analysts alike.